In this video, I'll guide you through how you can upload Canva design to Google Drive. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To upload Canva design to Google Drive, at the beginning you need to open the project on Canva. Once you finish the editing process, then click on Share button, then click on See All. Now find Google Drive and click on it. Now you have to connect Google Drive with Canva. To connect, you need to click on Connect Google Drive and choose your Google account. Now click on Continue and check mark on this and click on Continue again. After connect Google Drive with Canva, you need to choose your file type. Let's go with PDF standard and choose your page. Lastly, click on Save button. Now you have to wait for a few seconds to upload your Canva design on Google Drive. Congratulations, you successfully saved your Canva design to Google Drive. Let's check your Google Drive to find the PDF file. Here is your PDF file. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily upload Canva design to Google Drive.